Check out the traffic YouTube was able to generate in the last 28 days right here. YouTube actually made up to 32.7 billion visits in the past 28 days. So this is a very cool platform which you want to take advantage of and start promoting your CPA marketing offers, affiliate marketing offers, or products which you want to just simply sell right here, because it said where the traffic is, there's a lot of money to be made. So that's why in this video I'm going to show you how you could leverage YouTube to start making some cool cash as an affiliate marketer in the year 2023 and beyond. So kindly stick on to this video. Make sure you do watch this video to the end so you do not miss out on any strategy or step right here, because this strategy is going to be 100% free, a beginner friendly, meaning that a beginner can actually grab hold of this strategy and start using it right now to make money in the year 2023 and beyond. And without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So first of all guys, you want to head on to any affiliate marketing platform of your choice. You could use the ClickBank right here, you could use Warrior Plus, Digistore24, or any other one which you just want to take advantage of. But right here I'm going to be using the ClickBank right here. You just want to go on to signing up to an account and logging into that particular account, where you'll be brought to a section such as this. Go on to clicking on the affiliate marketplace, then you could go on to searching for offers. Right here I do search for a product about weight loss, and right here I was able to see a lot of products related to this particular search or that keyword right there. And these are a lot of weight loss products which I could go on to promoting right now. So you just want to go on to checking out each product, check out one that is actually okay for you to go on to promoting, and go on to promoting that right there. And if I do intend on promoting this product about the weight loss mastery super class, I'm going to click on promote and just simply have to put in my nickname, and I could just simply generate my unique affiliate link which I could use to promote this particular product. Then I'm going to go on to promoting that product right now. So the next step which you want to just simply take advantage of is that you want to just simply take advantage of this particular platform called the Fliki AI. So this is a very cool text-to-speech platform which you could use to generate videos or audios with realistic AI voices in about 2 minutes right there. You could generate videos from blog posts, from Twitter tweets, or from PowerPoint presentation file right here. So you just want to register for this platform, and to know more about the pricing structure of this platform, click on pricing, where you'll be brought to this page, and right here you could see the pricing plans. You could see the free plan, the basic plan, the standard, and the premium plan. Basically the free plan is actually good, but there's a limitation to the free plan right here, because you'll be only able to gain access to 5 minutes of audio and video content per month, which means that you cannot go on to generating lots more of video content or audio content with the free plan. That's why you need to go on to registering for either the basic, standard, or premium plan, and you can see the respective amount for each plans right there. You could also scroll down to this section where you'll be able to see the features of each and every one of those plans, which will actually help you in knowing which you could go on to registering from or registering on. So once you actually do register for an account, you just want to log into your account right there. As you could see, I've been using this particular platform to create a lot of videos previously. So you just want to come right here, click on new file, and right now you just want to put in something related to the file name which you want to create. Give your file a name. So if I do give my file a name something related to YouTube, make sure this is in English right here, and also select the video or audio, and I'm going to use the video right here. Click on create right now, and you'll be brought to a page where you can actually start editing your video. So guys, like I said, you could come right here to this section, click on convert, and you could create a video from your blog post, from a PowerPoint file, or from a Twitter tweet. And once you actually do that guys, you could just simply select any one of your choice and follow the necessary procedures. But right here I'm just going to use my script already copied on my clipboard, so I'm just going to use that script right there and paste it in this particular section. If you don't have a script for that particular video, you could make use of platforms like ChatGPT to go on to generating a script for you. So guys, the script should actually be related to the product which you are actually promoting right here, which is on the weight loss right here. So that script should actually be related to that. So if I do go on to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write an article on weight loss, so if I ask ChatGPT to write a short article on how to lose weight fast, Right here, ChatGPT has actually begun to write that article. You just want to be patient a little. In about a minute or less, ChatGPT is going to be done writing that article. And once ChatGPT is done, you're just going to copy the article and paste on this particular Fliki website. So guys, why I'm actually going to be focusing more on the YouTube Shorts is that YouTube Shorts actually gets a lot of views right here. You could see this particular video was posted about a day ago and it got about 412,000 views. This one was 21 hours ago and it got about 824,000 views. So this one right here has about 2.1 million views right there. So you could see a lot of videos right here on YouTube Shorts are actually getting thousands and millions of views. That's why you want to take advantage of the YouTube Shorts. So if you do want to create a YouTube Short, you need to know that the YouTube Short are actually videos that are less than a minute long or 60 seconds long right here. The video should be less than this particular amount of time right here. So if you do want to create a script to your video, you want to make sure that the script is actually short, not lengthy right there. As you could see, this is lengthy right here. So I could also ask ChatGPT to shorten or summarize this. So once I ask ChatGPT to summarize the article, ChatGPT has actually begun to summarize this article right here. So you can see how cool ChatGPT actually shortened this article right now. So right now guys, ChatGPT is done. I'm just going to copy or highlight this particular article right here. Once I highlight this, I'm just going to copy this, head back to Fliki.ai and paste that in this section. So once I do paste that right now, you can see that Fliki.ai is going to help me split my article into different scenes and also going to help me select a cool video for each scene right there. So they're actually going to do a lot of work for you right now. So I'm just going to delete this introduction scene because that's not supposed to be there. Once I click on this, go on to clicking on delete and delete that particular scene. So you could see right here I'm being brought to a new scene right now, which I could just simply check out the video for this scene by clicking on this play icon. You'll be able to preview that particular video for the scene. Check out if the videos actually for each and every scene right there matches the contents in that particular scene. If it does, you could leave it. If it doesn't, you could come right here, click on this three dots, and you could go on to clicking on change image that video. Once you click on change image or video, you'll be able to see a lot of videos right here, and you could just simply type keyword related to that particular, to what you're looking for. So if I do type in something related to weight loss and click on enter, I'll be able to see a lot of videos related to weight loss, which I could just simply take advantage of. Select a video of your choice and make use of that. You could go on to uploading a video from your device right here by clicking on choose file, and you could upload a video and use. You could also do the same thing for images right there. And once you are done, you could preview how that particular scene sounds like and looks like. Right now you could click on these three dots, you could move this page downward or upward. You could actually go on to changing the voice. By clicking on change voice, you'll be able to see a lot of AI voices which you could just simply take advantage of and start making use of right now. You could view all voices in this section. You could filter the voices based on language, based on dialects, based on gender, and based on voice style. And you could also go on to applying that particular voice to each and every scene or for a particular scene only. If I decide to use this voice for only this scene, I'm just going to leave this unchecked. But if I decide on using that voice for all scene, I'm going to apply it to all. So once I click on select right now, it's going to be just for this particular scene. So that's how you want to just simply do this right now. So guys, you can see right here that the video is, the entire duration of the video is about 1 minute and 45 seconds long, which does not actually go in line with the YouTube short length. So you just want to go on to reducing that video size right there. And how do you reduce the video size? You just see this particular section that doesn't have a lot of content in this scene. You just want to go on to reducing the duration. Right here you could see the duration for this scene is about 23 seconds. I could click on this right here and reduce the duration to changing, put custom duration. I could change that to about 5 seconds right here. Click on OK, and that duration is going to be reduced right there. As you could see, this has actually reduced to 1 minute 26 seconds. I could go on to checking out for other scenes such as this. I could just simply reduce this to about 5 seconds or so. So once I do that, change that scene to 5 seconds, this is actually going to change right here. So I could go on to doing the same for this scene. So guys, right now you could see I successfully reduced the length of this video to something less than 1 minute long. And once you are done with this guys, you could just simply come to this video settings, click on that, and you could just simply go on to selecting the size of your video. Make sure you do select a size is portrait right here, because the YouTube shorts are actually portrait videos. So you just simply select the portrait, go onto the bottom and click on save, and the size will automatically be changed right here. As you could see, that has actually been successfully changed. So you want to just simply come right here to this last scene. You could add in a different scene right here by clicking on this plus icon, and you want to put in a call to action for that particular offer. So right here guys, I'm just going to put in this call to action which says ready to take control of your weight and transform your life. Join our weight loss mastery class today and unlock the secret to sustainable and successful weight loss. Don't wait another day to achieve your goal. Enroll now and embark on the journey towards a healthier and happy you. So I just simply added something right here which says enroll now via the link in this video description and embark on the journey towards a healthier and happier you. So right now I've actually put in a call to action telling them that the link is going to be made available in the description of this video. So once you do go do that right here, you could just simply go on to clicking on auto pick for this AI to actually auto pick a video for this scene. And you could see the duration of the video right now is about 1 minute and 14 seconds long. You could just simply go on to changing duration of each scene to reduce the particular length of the video. So right now I've successfully done that guys. You just want to simply go on to clicking on export right now, and once you click on export, your video is going to begin processing, and once your video is done processing, as you could see right here, it says you will be notified by email when your file is ready to download. You can close this pop-up and continue working on other files. So you could see right here that you'll be notified once your video is done exporting, and you could go on to downloading that particular video right here. So once you do download that video, you just want to head on to YouTube and just simply create an account, go on to uploading that video on your channel right there, and that video will be able to get a lot of views. Make sure that the link to this particular offer, which is the weight loss mastery class, is actually in the description of your YouTube video, and in doing so you'll be able to get a lot of traffic right there. Imagine directing about 412,000 people to go onto the description of your video for that particular link, and a lot of people are actually interested in that. Imagine maybe 1% of those people actually go on to purchasing that particular product right here. Imagine the amount of money you'll be making from doing so. So that is that's going to be a very huge amount right there. So you just want to simply take advantage of this strategy to make a lot of money right now. You could also use the same strategy for platforms like Facebook right here, Instagrams, and so on and so forth. You could create a video and go on to weight loss related group by going onto the group section and searching for something related to weight loss. So right here you'll be able to see a lot of weight loss groups where you can go on to promoting that particular product. So these are actually cool ways to make money with affiliate marketing and taking leverage of platforms such as social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and so on and so forth. So with that being said guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope this video has added some value to you. If yes, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. So thank you for watching guys. See you in my next video, and goodbye.